whether it is legal or not related to maintenance cases. After commencement of Domestic Violence Act, Section 2F is very most important and vital concept of these cases. First thing, the first case is the Veluswamy versus Pachiyammal, 21st October 2010. It is most important judgment. And another judgment is Badri Prasad versus Deputy Director of Consolidation and others. And the latest judgment is Supreme Court judgment. 3 judgments are Supreme Court judgments. Indra Sharma versus K.V. Sharma, 26 November 2013. In these 3 judgments, very important judgments, living relationship related to maintenance cases. Kindly note this. Badri Prasad versus Deputy Director of Consolidation and another judgment, 1978 judgment. In this judgment, Supreme Court held that the presumption is rebuttable one. A heavy burden lies on who seeks to deprive the relationship in its legal origin. So, interpretation of statute is most important in these cases. Judgment is Veluswamy versus Pachiyammal. In this case, Honorable Supreme Court referred the case to Family Court for a fresh trial. Supreme Court laid down some guidelines. Veluswamy versus Pachiyammal case. Number 1, the couple must hold themselves out of society as being akin to spouse. They must be a legal age to marry. They must be otherwise qualified to enter into the legal marriage, including being unmarried. They must have voluntarily cohabited and held themselves out of the court as being akin spouses for significant period of time, and in addition, the parties must have lived together. So, the main as all these judgments clearly shows that the interpretation of Section 2F of Domestic Violence Act is most important to get maintenance from her husband within the relationship of living together. So, in these 3 judgments, Indra Sharma versus K.V. Sharma 2013 the judgment, as well as Badri Sai versus Badri Sai judgment 1978, Veluswamy judgment. 3 judgments are most important to get maintenance from the man within the relationship of living together.
Please kindly go through the Badri Prasad case 1978. Held that legal validity of to a 50 years living relationship, but in the same case, the Supreme Court observed that the presumption was rebuttable, but a heavy burden on person who seeks to deprive the relationship of legal origin to prove that no marriage took place. Now, Allahabad High Court, another judgment is available. In this case, Payal Sharma versus Nari Niketan observed that, in our opinion, a man and woman, even without getting married, can live together if any wish to. This may be regarded as immoral by society, but it is not illegal. There is a difference between law and morality. So, this is the Allahabad High Court finding. Another judgment of 2006 Supreme Court judgment, Ramdev Food Products Private Limited versus Arvind Bhai Rambhai Patel. In this case, court held that the court observed that kindly go through the court observed that two people who are living in relationship without a formal marriage are not criminal offenders. The judgment then was made applicable to various other cases also. Another case already I am explaining Pachimmal case 2010. This is landmark judgment of our Supreme Court. Another judgment is Supreme Court 2013. Already I'm already informed Indra Sharma versus KV Sharma. In this case, Supreme Court issued some guidelines also. In this case, held that when the woman is aware of the fact that the man with whom she is a living relationship and who already has a legally wedded wife and two children is not entitled to various reliefs available to a legally wedded wife, and also to those who entered into a relationship the nature of marriage as per provisions of Prevention of Domestic Violence Act 2005. But in this case, Supreme Court felt that denial of any protection would amount to a great injustice to victims of illegal relationships. So, following are guidelines given by Supreme Court in this judgment. Go through the judgments in this judgments guidelines. Number one, duration of period of relationship, that is section 2F of Domestic Violence Act, has used a expression at any point of time, which means relationship period of time to maintain and continue relationship, which may vary from case to case depending upon the fact situation. Another guideline is share households. The expression has been defined in section 2S of Domestic Violence Act, hence need no further elaboration. Another guideline is number 3, pooling of resources and financial arrangements. Number 4 is domestic arrangements. Number 5, sexual relationships. Number 6 guideline is in this case is children. Having children is a strong indication of relationship in the nature of marriage. Parties therefore intended to have a long-standing relationship, sharing the responsibility of bringing up and support them is also a strong indication. Seventh guideline is kindly go through the socialization in public. Eighth, intention and conduct of the parties. So this is the guidelines issued by the Supreme Court to determine the relationships whether domestic violence or not. This is the Supreme Court judgments highlights. Thank you, viewers. Thank you.